Here is a tutorial on how to record your screen using OBS Open Broadcaster software. Download and install OBS on your computer. If you don't know how, just watch our video about how to download and install OBS. Open OBS and click on the plus icon in the Sources panel. Select Display Capture from the list of options and click Add. In the Create Select Source window, give your screen capture a name and click Create. In the Screen Capture Properties window, select the desired display from the Capture Device drop-down menu. You can also choose to capture a specific window or region of your screen. Click OK to close the window. To start recording your screen, click the Start Recording button in the main OBS window. To stop recording, click the Stop Recording button. Your recorded screen capture will be saved to the location specified in the output settings in OBS. You can access these settings by going to File greater than Settings greater than Output in the main OBS window. From there, you can choose where you want your recorded videos to be saved and what format they should be in. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.